Hey everyone, this is Tej. Welcome to my channel and to a new video which is going to be about minimalist salicylic acid. So if you are someone who have recently come across the minimalist salicylic acid और आपको पता करना है कि ये कैसा है, कैसा नहीं, क्या results हैं, क्या actual में काम करता है कि नहीं and all that, then you have come to the right video. Because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my very honest experience on whether the minimalist salicylic acid is worth the money you're going to be spending on it or not. So if you want to know all about it, make sure that you stick to the end of the video so that you can make a decision for yourself on whether you should buy this or not. But before we jump straight into how minimalist salicylic acid is, I think we should discuss a little bit about what salicylic acid is in general, ताकि आपको idea मिल जाए कि ये जो ingredient है इसके क्या benefits हैं, कैसे ये काम करता है and all that, which I think is a very basic info that you need to have before you try out anything. And in this sense, obviously, it is the salicylic acid. So basically, salicylic acid is a beta hydroxide acid जिसको एक bark known as willow bark से extract किया जाता है. काफी synthesization के बाद और formulations के बाद they convert it into a form which can be used on your skin safely. And basically, salicylic acid, what it does is कि ये exfoliation का काम करता है. It gets penetrated deep into your skin, and what it does is कि it breaks down the intercellular composition, the intercellular connection between your skin cells. And when that happens, जो आपके skin के अंदर debris है, dirt है, sweat है, oil है, जो भी है, blackheads हो गए, या किसी भी form की bacteria जैसे acne होता है या कुछ भी ऐसा होता है, उस सबको ये clean out कर देता है. Which is why salicylic acid is great if you have oily skin, if you have oily acne-prone skin, or if you are someone who is suffering from blackheads, whiteheads, and so. Also, salicylic acid is a great ingredient for oil control, basically excess sebum control, because salicylic acid actually helps break down the fatty compounds on your skin, which actually is the prime reason behind oil, sweat, or sebum on your skin. Okay? It also has many anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, जो की हो गई swelling या redness acne के बाद या acne के around उसको ठीक करने में काफी helpful रहता है. Also, if you have large open pores, it does help with it to an extent. But if you want to try a product जो कि बहुत ही अच्छे से आपके pores को minimize करता है, then watch this video because I have shared something जो कि will help you minimize your skin pores to a great extent. So as I told you already, it definitely helps with acne, blackheads, whitehead. But salicylic acid also works as an astringent, makes your skin tight, make it a bit brighter, smoother, and younger. And also it does helps to lighten your blemishes and spots to a bit extent, not too much, but yeah, it definitely lightens them to a great extent. So ये हो गई एक general बात कि what salicylic acid is और इसके general benefits and advantages क्या हैं. Now let us move on to the minimalist salicylic acid. So basically price है इसका ये और packaging के मामले में ये सिर्फ एक option में available है, that is 30 ml. It is fragrance free, it is non-comedogenic. So if you are someone जिसको दिक्कत होती है fragrance से, no worries, you can go for this. And also non-comedogenic है, मतलब इसको इस तरह से formulate किया गया है कि आपकी ये जो skin pores हैं tighten करेगा and will also prevent your acne and breakouts as discussed earlier. Skin type की मैं बात करूं, then only buy this acid, only buy this product if you have oily or combination skin. Dry skin है, then don't use it because it will further dry out your skin. Secondly, अब इसकी मैं effectiveness की बात करूं, so मुझे हो चुके हैं almost 2 months इसको use करते हुए, and I use it at night सोने से पहले after washing off my face and doing all the chores. So I put at least 3 drops, and I think that is more than enough for me, and it will be more than enough for anybody else as well. I leave it for the entire night, and I saw pretty good results. So जो general breakouts होते थे, कभी कभार थोड़ी बहुत acne होती थी, उसकी जो rate थी, उसका जो composition था वो काफी ज्यादा था पहले, अब काफी कम हो चुका है. Yes, oil control में it does help because सुबह उठ के मुझे अपनी skin पे sweatiness, oiliness या heaviness feel नहीं होती. So that's great too. सबसे अच्छी बात, the serum is very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on your skin. It is as if you're applying a very light water-based something. It gets absorbed really well, and you won't even feel कि आपने अपने चेहरे पे कुछ product लगाया हुआ like serum and so. Pores minimization की बात करूं, तो इसने थोड़ा बहुत मुझे help किया उसमें, but again it didn't help me much in that case. But हाँ, acne के मामले में, breakouts के मामले में, this serum worked exactly how it claims to work, and I would highly recommend you guys to buy this if you are experiencing the same problems, same conditions and so. अब ये जो salicylic acid है minimalist का, इसमें कुछ और additional ingredients भी हैं like EGCG, oligopeptide and white horehound extract. So oligopeptide is basically a peptide जो कि salicylic acid के साथ काम करके it works to fight the bacteria which causes acne. जो EGCG है, it's basically a compound which is naturally found in green tea. Great inflammatory properties, great anti-inflammation properties, and will also help you with several other skin conditions. And जो है white horehound extract, वो काफी helpful, काफी beneficial पाया गया है blackheads को और whiteheads को remove करने में in the span of 28 days. And yes, I do had a lot of blackheads around my nose जो कि अभी काफी कम हो चुके हैं. So yes, I can say that the salicylic acid also helped me with my blackheads. If you have whiteheads, which I don't have, if you have whiteheads, and I'm pretty sure it will help you out as well because blackheads के मामले में this product was really great. So all in over, a great product, works exactly how it claims to work. Pores के मामले में not that effective, but yes, oil control, acne and blackheads and whiteheads के मामले में it works perfectly fine. So if you're interested, if you think that this serum will help you cure your problems, basically वो problem जिसके बारे में हमने बात की इस वीडियो में, then I have a link in the description box. It's basically a link for the serum जिससे आप ये serum को purchase कर सकते हो थोड़े से discounted price पे. So I think you should definitely try to save your money if you're buying this for the first time. Link है description box में, go click it and buy if you want the serum out. So yeah, that's it. This was the review on Minimalist Salicylic Acid. This was a super fun video for me to do, and I hope कि आपको भी ये वीडियो काफी insightful and helpful लगी हो. And I hope I would have helped you come to a conclusion कि क्या आपको Minimalist Salicylic Acid 2% purchase करना चाहिए या नहीं. So yes, let us wrap up the video right now. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay fit, stay healthy, and thank you so much for watching.